Hello everyone! Ito nga pala yung part 2 ng aking Isuzu D-Max and ito yung actual review ng sasakyan. So yung first part is yung full test drive experience. This is now the honest impressions since ito na dumaan na ako sa test drive, ano yung mga features na lumitaw, nakita ko ni 360 camera, and so on and so forth. So, I'm going to do a voiceover about this whole video and I'm gonna say what are the things that I like and I don't like and ano yung mga giging verdict ko dito sa dulo ng video na ito. If you're ever going to wonder kung magkano nga ba ang isang D-Max LSE with a 4x4 transfer case, ang magiging presyo nun is around 1,945,000 pesos. Then, yung LSA, it is actually 4x4 and then meron tong manual transmission. That's interesting. Yung presyo na is around 1,750,000 pesos. Then, lilipat ako dito sa may single cab. Ito yung may RZ4E 4x2 single cab manual transmission. Ang starting price ng Isuzu D-Max is around 938,000 pesos. Then, I'm gonna nitpick on to the LT version. It's around, meron tayong dalawang engine choice nito. Meron tayong 3-liter, yung 4x4. It is around 1,299,000 pesos. And yung RZ4E. RZ4E nga pala, I'm so sorry, nakalimutan ko. It's the 1.9-liter engine block. And 4x2, it's around 1,048,000 pesos. Okay, time to say the things that I like and I don't like. So, this is going to be a rumbled fashion. Nothing is in order. So, kung ano yung pumasok sa isip ko, bang! Okay, let's start off with the steering. The steering is actually quite heavy. Kung ako ay kukumpiran ko yung dun sa Toyota Hilux, if sabihin natin na ipasok ko yung Toyota Hilux, yung GRS to be more specific, I've driven one, sabihin natin ipasok mo siya sa sport mode, yun, ganun katigas yung manibela nitong Isuzu. If you put out the, sabihin natin, tanggalin na natin sa sport mode yung Toyota Hilux GRS, it is way lighter. Sabihin na nasa normal mode. Ayan. The steering feel dito sa Isuzu D-Max is really, really heavy. And the time na nagda-drive yung friend ko na nakasama ko dyan sa test drive event, he actually said na gumagaan pala yung manibela kapag sabihin natin nasa highway speeds na. Isn't it baliktad? Hindi ba dapat the steering would be much lighter when it comes to traffic or sabihin natin a slow speeds of let's say 5 kilometers per hour to 10 kilometers per hour. The steering wheel is really heavy. Sure, I get it na they wanted to stick as much as possible to the old reliable hydraulic steering, but I think it could be a really useful that the Isuzu D-Max should have a much lighter hydraulic power steering feel, and especially kasi pick up to it. So that's the first one. Next one is a good thing about the Isuzu D-Max is they have offered only 2 engine variants. Number 1 is the 3-liter. Yung top of the line range model will obviously get this one. The next one would be the 1.9-liter. I would expect the 1.9-liter. Actually, nandun na naman na sa mismong price list nila. Yung 1.9-liter would be a pickup that would be good for sabihin natin mga negosyo. Or this one, if you want to pick out for the 3-liter, this is for the the business owners or for family or for off-roading enthusiasts. Sila ang makakikinabang ng 4-liter 4x4 variant ng Isuzu D-Max. And I really said this one onto the test drive. Hindi sila nag-offer ng 2.5, 2.4, 2-liter. Ayan, it's just a basic 3-liter displacement with a single turbo engine. Yeah, it's really good. Yung 4JJ3 and yung engine number ng Isuzu D-Max. Yun, pasensya na hindi ko kabisado. And it's around 190-ish horsepower, which is producing on this one. So, yeah, now if you wanted to have more horsepower, di iparimap nyo. Ganun lang kasimple. It is really capable on, on high horsepower rate. But, syempre, another thing is yung camera nitong 360. Yung isa sa mga camera, or I don't know, okay, sabihin natin yung cameras na nakakabit dun sa side mirrors. Yung tinest drive kong Isuzu D-Max na nakalagay dun sa side mirrors yung camera, it's actually really genius na they placed it inwards dun sa may side mirror housings. That's good. But the quality itself of that camera, it's not good. I hope that this is going to be a a factory car, but when it comes to the customer car, it is much different. But ayun, yun yung speculation ko dito, kasi nung nag-turn signal ako, napapansin ko, that's odd. It is working, pero may pagka malabo or may pagka, I don't know, is it supposed to be distorted? Hindi siya masasabi ko siyang hindi siya on the top tier quality na camera na in-implement dito sa 360-degree camera.
Pansin ko dito.
Cup holder? Okay.
Yeah, cup holder. Ito naman yung tinga.
Used.
Yeah, nice cup holders. Is it going down?
Yeah, yan na yan.
Yeah.
That's it.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos I'm assuming meron dito 5, 6, 7, 8 siguro. 8 cup holders. Check pa sa likod. And we just open the lights. It's halogen lights. And then cruise controls everything. All the bells and whistles that we have here in the steering wheel. Dito siya audio controls dito sa left side. Tapos, what's really ano dito ito ay tawag dito, analog digital na ano yan? Is this?
So pwede siyang ano isabihin nito? Anyway,
I have no idea. Ito yung first impressions namin actually. So, wala pa kami natanong na ahente. Meron sila dito.
hindi na kami sinasagot.
But, ayun. I think this is 6-speed.
Okay.
God damn.
Ano to? LSE 4x4?
Yep. LSE 4x4.
So, anong gusto mo malaman?
How many speeds the transmission has?
It has 6 speeds.
Okay, 6 speeds. Still all traditional.
Differential lock and rough terrain mode.
Okay, so how the hell do you press?
Oh, no.
No, it doesn't work.
Hindi ko magaling.
Okay. 3-spoke steering wheel, really nice.
It is
Tapos,
2,600 kilometers.
okay, so mechanical handbrake, old school fashion chimichimmer. Tapos yan, meron tayong
Dual zone climate control.
ang tawag dito, meron tayong central armrest and dual zone climate control system. Papansin ko, hindi pa tayo maandar, pero parang ang nipis ng screen nito. My guess is your guess is good as mine, so hindi pa nakikita.
7 airbags.
Yeah, 7 airbags. Nakita ko na siya dito. Yep. There's one here. Nasa upuan na. Tapos yung SRS airbags. Steering wheel, obviously, 2 of them. Meron ba kaya itong side airbags?
Dito si curtain.
Curtain sa likod, I think.
Ito airbag.
Wow! Look oh! Surround sound! Oh! Pangina! Damn!
Surround. Tingnan natin.
Yan oh.
Interior.
But it doesn't have... ito yung tweeters.
8 speaker system.
Yeah, ito yung speakers. Yan. One here, one there. Nice. Okay. Tapos, cute little 4-wheel drive transfer case switch. Yeah, not that cute, pero. What we have dito, a cubby. God damn it.
Press it. It's not. No.
Yep.
Okay.
Right. Get out. Runway. Hazards nandito siya. Ito ito yung masasabi ko. Una, hindi ko gaano nalalaman if the doors is actually lock or unlock. Kasi tingnan mo Okay.
That's unlock. Nilock mo.
Pero nilagay, Isuzu has actually decided na ayun yung red spot. Okay? Yeah. If I close the door, do you see the red spot? No, we don't. That's one downfall. Number 2, itong sinabi mo kanina, itong design nitong aircon controls, it's actually duplicating yun sa Mitsubishi, yung piano Chubawi wrap. I don't know thingy. Parang nasira ko na nagamit ko na lang to. It's kind of flimsy. But tama ba yung word na yun? It's kind of flimsy, so please don't break it. Yeah, it's kind of flimsy for me. Yun yung nagiging ano dito, nagiging aspect ko dito for this one. Well, hey, at least this one's pulsing, I think. Oh, yan. I step on the brakes.
It's not pulsing.
Kanina na. So, yan. Engine start stop. Obviously, we don't have a key. I don't know how many inches infotainment screen. Yan. Probably it's 12, 8. Yeah,
7.
7. So does it have buttons? Does it have touch sensitive buttons dito? Probably not.
Hindi. 10.1.
10.1. Okay, 10%.
Yung instrument cluster pala yung 7.
Okay, 7. Ito to. Ano yung nasa gitna? 7-inch. Ito yung 10.1.
10.1.
Right. You're reading the brochure. What a disappointment. Okay, next one is the trim. Blacked out trims. Tapos may mga diamond embedded dito sa gilid ng trims. But this one is actually the party piece ng speakers. Ayan, may speaker dito. I know you can't see it right now, but ayan, may speakers here, speakers on to the top. Yeah, so if I were you, sana Spotify ang gagamitin nyo at wag nyo akong gayahin na MP3 converter na ang gamit yung player. Now, this one has a switch dito sa wireless charging, probably just to prevent yung overcharging. Yep. And the 6-speed na to, nasabi na namin. Ito yung mga drive modes natin. This one is for the terrain select, hill descent, parking sensors, diff lock, and anything else. Ito yung para sa shift lock ha. Yun. Just to remember that. Right. I-stick mo, magsistick ka ng flat screw here and it goes there.
Kasi sa iba is tatanggalin mo to.
Seryoso?
Sorry dyan.
Ganun?
Tatanggalin mo yung buong panel.
Mamaya tingnan ko nga. Alam ko ata may panel dito na maliit. Gaganin mo na siya.
Hindi, tatanggalin mo.
Tatanggalin mo ba?
Kasi may nakita na ako mekaniko. Ganun ang ginawa. Binaklas. Ito lang yung pedal.
And miscount ko tong cup holder na to, unfortunately. So, I think I said it was 9.
Malalim nga.
Malalim eh, no?
Ito mababaw lang. Ito medyo flimsy.
Wait, I can't open mine. Push.
Push,
yeah. Yeah, mababaw nga. I can't, akala ko na-expand siya. Akala ko na-expand ko.
It's big.
Yeah, it's big, basic.
Ano to?
Basic. Ba't ngayon lang dumating yung ganda nin? So yan. So that's really nice, no?
2024 D-Max. 4x4 LSE.
Right.
Coming at 1.9.
1.9, 40?
1.945.
45. Oh, nice. Okay, so now let's go out. In there. Sige. Try ko yung sa likod. Let's check it out. Pinawisan na ako. I think hindi nila nilagay. Oh yeah. Luwag. Ang luwag nga.
Ito sa ganito Ako mas matangkad ako. Mas maluwag siya kaysa sa range.
Luwag na.
Mas comfortable.
Yep. Ito yung hooks, tapos
dapat may hooks din siya. Yes, okay. May down.
And dump. Yeah. Speakers are here. Tapos yun yung AC vents.
Pwede mong ito.
Yan.
So may storage din dapat.
Yep. Tapos syempre center headrest.
Pull this one. May storage
kailangan nasa labas tayo. So yan. Tapos armrest, this one. Just basic armrest lang na. Yan. Malapad siya. In fairness.
Good for 2.
Yep. It's supposed to be 2.
That's it for now within this video. Thank you very much for watching. And sige na. I-insert ko na lang to end this video. I-insert ko na lang yung clip yung umakyat kami dun sa rampa. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you on to the next one. This is the clip. Bye!
Professional driver for this one. So, pinaka-obvious choice na hindi kami yung dalawa. Right. Yeah, we're gonna test this one. Yan, lalagyan natin sa tamang kalkulasyon. Forma lang ni Sir dito. Ayan, shoutout rin sa Isuzu Trucks din, no? Kita mo yung tapadodo, pre. Right. Okay.
brace.
What could possibly go wrong? Okay lang yan.
Sorry.
That's fine.
Sa hands I am professional.
Ayan na.
Anytime, go.
Makabang na.
Low ko lang po.
Okay. Transfer guys in the 4 low. Yan. With the def lock.
Everything.
Yes.
For sure.
Right, there's a 360 camera there. Hello. Yan. Okay.
Diretso lang.
Here we go.
Konti lang. Okay. Yan, diretso lang.
And look with the left foot braking.
Okay, diretso lang. Diretso pa, sige pa.
Ano yung tsura mo dyan, bro? Ano yung tsura natin? Diyos ko!
Konti pa.
Take off.
Okay.
Okay, stop.
Left foot braking. Dito na higa ka.
Oo nga, actually.
Yeah.
Ilan tickets?
Passenger.
Not sure po eh. More than Grabe.
Yan.
Ang dami na doon.
Lang ba? Sa langit na ako, pero ganun pa
Okay,
rin.
pumantay na.
Yung Boeing.
So, ito hit-percent.
Diretso lang, so. Kanan mo ng konti. Yan, diretso lang. Kanan pa konti.
Vertical!
Sige, okay.
Oh, nag-pretension na yung seatbelt.
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Ay, umihigpit na. Whee! Yun lang.
Yun na yun. Pero, wow, okay.
Medyo short trip lang po eh. Okay sana kung full course.
Ano pa yan? Ang bilis mo siguro kuya po dito. Gagawa lahat ng ginawa natin.